My name is Colin Hall. I'm an industry professor at the Future Industries Institute at the University of South Australia. Additive manufacturing, most people might think of it as 3D printing. Historically, in the last 5 or 10 years, it's played a role in fast prototyping. You've done plastics. They might not have been very strong. They were for demonstration pieces, for a bit of fun. It's maturing to a point of a quality where it's good enough to go on an aircraft. The work with Styrke AMG, we looked at bringing in a new type of printer into Australia. These are electron beam melt printers. They do exist in Australia in a research context, but we've set up a facility that will be doing it in an industrial context, making parts that are saleable to high-end customers, such as defence, aerospace or medical. We'll be working closely with Styrke to put all of the controls in place to be able to fully commercialise that product or process so that it's fit for purpose for its application. That's a point of difference that the Future Industries Institute does. We will do the research, but we're invested and our skill set supports that industry translation right through to commercialisation. So we like to see it go out the door and have an impact in society. The future for additive manufacturing, I think it has a critical role to play in manufacturing as a whole. It can plug gaps in a supply chain that traditional manufacturing couldn't. If Australia does it right, we can capitalise on that and link up our excellent R&D with a responsive manufacturing capability to be able to supply unique, innovative parts to the world.